Have you ever watched a YouTube Shorts channel and thought, there is no way they are making that much money? That is exactly what I thought too until I tried it myself. So, here's what I did. I picked a faceless YouTube Shorts channel that was reportedly making over $100,000 every single month. And I decided to copy everything. The topics, the structure, the timing, the posting routine, all of it. And let me tell you something, the results were insane. Before we dive into the full strategy, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we break down real ways to grow online, not fake guru tactics. Now let's get into how copying a YouTube Shorts channel actually turned into one of the smartest experiments of my life. Step 1. Understanding why Shorts are exploding. Right now, YouTube Shorts are not just short videos. They are a global traffic machine. The algorithm is giving them the kind of attention that long-form creators used to dream of. Here is what most people miss. YouTube is desperately competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels. That means it is pushing Shorts harder than anything else. If you upload the right kind of content consistently, the algorithm will practically force your videos onto new viewers. And that is why some faceless channels are making ridiculous amounts of money. $30,000. $70,000, even $100,000 per month without ever showing their face or voice. But here is the key. They are not just lucky, they are strategic. Step 2. Picking the right channel to copy. When I started this experiment, I looked for a channel that had 3 things: a consistent upload schedule, viral style shorts with similar structure, no personal branding, completely faceless. After analyzing dozens, I found one channel that hit all those boxes. It was in the motivational niche, posting shorts every single day, each video under 30 seconds, with clean text overlays, background music, and emotional storytelling. Their average video had hundreds of thousands of views. Some crossed 1 million. Now, I could have gone for a comedy or finance channel, but the reason I chose motivation was simple: evergreen appeal. People will always search for hope, drive, and self-improvement. It never dies. So I decided this is the model I will copy. Step 3. Reverse engineering their content structure. To truly understand what was working, I broke their videos down frame by frame. Here's what I found. Each video had 3 simple ingredients. Hook, 0 to 3 seconds. Something shocking, emotional, or relatable. Example: you are not lazy. You are just tired of failing. Message, 3 to 20 seconds. A short, intense motivational line or story that feels personal. Payoff, 20 to 30 seconds. A strong ending quote or challenge like, prove them wrong, or this year you win. That's it. No fancy editing, no actor, no talking head, just emotion and rhythm. And the genius part, every single video recycled background footage, like people running, working out, watching sunsets, combined with text animation and trending audio. This was not random creativity. It was repeatable design. Step 4. Creating my first copy. I opened my editing software and got to work. I wrote a few powerful one-liners inspired by their most viral videos, but I did not steal anything word for word. The goal was to learn their structure, not plagiarize their content. I found copyright-free clips that matched the emotion: a runner at dawn, waves hitting rocks, a lonely person staring into the city lights. Then I overlaid the text. No one is coming to save you. It's on you now. Added soft background music, adjusted timing, and hit upload. The first video got 6,000 views overnight. Nothing crazy, but I had 0 subscribers. Then I posted another. That one hit 20,000 views. By the end of week 1, I had 10 shorts up and 1,200 subscribers. I had never seen growth like that before. Step 5. The posting frequency. That actually works. The original channel was posting once every 12 hours. That means 2 videos per day consistently, without fail. So I followed the same formula. Post 1 at 10 a.m., motivational message. Post 2 at 10 p.m., success, quote, or story. Here's what happened. After the 10th day, YouTube started recommending my videos to new audiences automatically. Shorts that had 2K views suddenly jumped to 80K overnight. It turns out, YouTube's algorithm rewards consistent posting much more aggressively with shorts than with long-form videos. The system sees daily uploads as a sign of reliability and starts promoting you in the shorts shelf. Within 30 days, I had 60 videos up and a little over 9,000 subscribers. Step 6. Discovering the secret behind viral hooks. Here's where things got interesting. After analyzing my best-performing shorts, I realized that my success had little to do with editing and everything to do with the first 3 seconds. Every video that started with a direct emotional hit performed at least 3x better. Examples: you are wasting your potential. You were not supposed to quit. Everyone laughed at you, remember that? Each line triggered emotion, immediately. Guilt, motivation, pride, anger. That emotional shock made people stop scrolling. Once I learned that formula, I started writing all my hooks first, then built the rest of the video around them. Step 7. Leveraging the algorithm, the recycle trick. One trick $100,000 per month channel was using blew my mind. They recycled their own content. Every 20-25 days, they reposted old shorts that had performed well, sometimes word for word, with just new backgrounds or slightly different text animation. Guess what? YouTube treated them as new videos, and they often went viral again. So I started doing the same thing. Instead of constantly creating from scratch, I took my top 10 performing videos and reworked them. The recycled versions performed nearly as well, some even better. That cut my workload in half while doubling my reach. That's when I realized why these channels can post so much, because 50% of their content is strategically repurposed. Step 8. Monetization, where the real money comes from. Now let's talk about $100,000 part, because this is where most people get confused. A faceless shorts channel rarely makes that kind of money just from ad revenue. Even if you get millions of views, shorts ads pay less than long-form content. So where does the income come from? Multiple sources combined: YouTube Shorts bonus and partner program. With enough watch time, you still earn from views. Affiliate marketing. Many motivational channels link to digital products like ebooks or self-growth courses. Brand deals. Once you hit 50K plus subscribers, brands start paying for placement, especially in lifestyle or mindset niches. Compilation licensing. Some creators sell their shorts compilations to media pages for a fixed price. The channel I copied was doing all four, and that's how it hit those six-figure months. Once my channel crossed 10K subs, I added affiliate links to mindset books and productivity courses. That alone brought in over $1,000 in the second month. Step 9. Scaling. Turning one channel into an empire. Here's the wild part. Once the system worked, I realized I could repeat it in any niche. So I created 2 new channels, one for finance motivation, one for health and discipline. Both use the same content structure: emotional hooks, short videos, recycled footage, powerful quotes, and within weeks, both started growing too. This is how the top faceless creators multiply their income. They do not rely on one page, they clone their success. If one channel makes $3,000 month, 10 can make $30,000 plus. And when you add affiliate and brand deals, $100,000 month is not a fantasy, it is a formula. Step 10. The mental shift that changed everything. At first, I felt guilty for copying another creator. But then I realized in business, every success model is built on studying what already works. McDonald's didn't invent fast food, Apple didn't invent the phone, they just made existing systems better. So instead of copying blindly, I learned to adapt strategically. I kept their structure, but built my voice, my tone, and my message around it. That's the difference between imitation and innovation. And that is why my channel kept growing while many copycat channels disappeared, because I respected the model, but built something uniquely mine within it. Step 11. The 3 golden rules for YouTube Shorts success. If you are thinking of doing this yourself, remember these rules. Consistency beats creativity. Even average content posted daily will outperform great content posted once a week. Emotion beats logic. Shorts are not about information, they are about feeling. Make your viewer feel something in seconds. Recycle your feed for winners. If a video works once, it can work again. Change the footage, adjust the quote, and repost it. These are the foundations that every high-earning faceless channel uses, even if they never talk about it publicly. The results. After 90 days, after 3 months, my main channel had 47,000 subscribers and 14 million total views. The 2 side channels had about 8,000 each. Altogether, my total revenue across platforms, ad income, affiliate links, and small brand deals crossed $7,800. Not $100,000 yet, but I was building something real, scalable, and automated. And here's the best part. I never recorded my face, never used my voice, and spent less than 2 hours a day managing everything. That's when I realized this system works because it respects the algorithm, the audience, and the power of consistency. What you can learn from this copying success is not a crime, it's how success begins. The secret is to learn, not to steal, to observe, not to imitate. When you model what's already proven to work, you remove 90% of the guesswork. You stop chasing random ideas and start building something with purpose. If you want to grow fast, stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Pick a successful faceless channel, study its rhythm, and apply the formula your own way. Because the internet is not waiting for new geniuses, it is rewarding the people who execute faster. So if you are sitting there wondering whether you can make money on YouTube Shorts, yes, you can. You just need to stop overthinking and start copying smart. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more real strategies that actually work in today's creator economy. Until next time, stay creative, stay consistent, and remember, success leaves clues. You just have to follow them.